So here we go. Why choose Ecosmart Fabric? A lot of times when you're looking at shades, you're going to get samples. Our fabric is really, really heavy duty. You can yoink it, you can do this, you can crumple it up, and it comes back to life because it is a really, really important part of the shade. So it's not a part of the shade that you want to skimp on. So we make sure we have the highest quality fabric. The other thing is that our shades, the light filtering, are completely submersible in water, so they're really stain resistant. Usually I would do this with coffee, but I haven't any, so I'm going to show you with some soy sauce. You can dump it on the fabric, it rolls right off. And you'll find on other fabrics that it kind of soaks in like a sponge, but our fabric, you can wash it right off and good as new. So that's just a couple of points about how awesome our shades are.